What are you doing?
I was just showing my love for the environment, just like St. Bede's School.
Wait, St. Bede's School is helping the environment?
Yes, in lots of ways.
How can we tell everyone about the great things St. Bede's is doing for the planet?
I know. Let's make a podcast. Hi, I'm John.
I'm Taya.
I'm Brian.
And I'm Marie. And in this podcast, we'll be telling you about the projects St. Bede students are doing to help the environment.
The projects are centered around 4 main categories:
treasuring our parks,
Oceans,
waste management,
and pennies for the planet. We hope you enjoy this podcast and learn something new about the environment. Kindergarten, first grade, and second grade are doing a service project involved with Pennies for the Planet. Pennies for the Planet is an organization sponsored by the Audubon Society that protects areas in our world that need our help. It is divided into 3 categories: restore the sable palm forest, preserve our barrier islands, and protect the Arctic Ocean. The Sable Palm Audubon Sanctuary in Audubon, Texas is the home for many animals, which are attracted to the forest by the sable palm trees. The sable palm trees provide these animals with food, shelter, and a habitat. However, due to the construction of roads, buildings, and homes, these trees have been knocked down. This causes many of the animals to die because of a scarcity of food and shelter. Barrier islands block the mainland from storms and also provide a habitat for many species. Today, biologists protect the Leah Hataf Island off the coast of South Carolina. This island is home to many turtles and birds. Many of these birds create nests in the sand, and the turtles lay their eggs on the sandy beaches. When people come to the island to play in the beaches, their nests and eggs are destroyed. This is causing many of the animals on the island to become extinct. The Arctic Ocean is home to many different animals. Today, new oil exploration is being proposed in the Arctic Ocean. If oil is mined in the oceans, this could cause the extinction of many of these animals. If you would like to donate your pennies to Pennies for the Planet or want to learn more information, please visit www.togethergreen.org. This year, the 3rd and 4th grades are participating in a project called Treasuring Our Parks. The students are learning about 3 different kinds of parks in our area: local, Churchville Nature Center; state, Tyler State Park; and national, Valley Forge National Park. Even though each park is different, all of them are homes to many species of animals, and if we fail to preserve it, their homes and these species will be lost. The students have also learned that the parks are for more than just our enjoyment and animals' homes. They also have historical significance to our area, whether important battles were fought there or they are for recreational purposes. All of these parks are worth being preserved.
The 5th and 6th graders have been learning about our oceans. They have learned that many ocean species are going extinct, such as the monk seals, the hawksbill turtle, and the blue whale, the biggest animal in the world. Besides learning about the numerous species that live in our oceans, they're also learning about how vital it is to preserve and protect our oceans from disasters, such as oil spills and the carelessness of dumping trash. Our planet is 71% water, and if we do not protect our oceans, a huge part of our Earth will be lost.
In the 7th and 8th grades, the students have been working on projects about waste management and being green at home. These students have been hard at work making environmental action plans for our school, which include ideas to make our school as environmentally friendly as possible. Some of their ideas were recycling at lunch, opening windows instead of using air conditioning, and having students do more online work to save paper, as well as making sure lights are shut off when no one is in the classroom. As well as trying to make their school green, they are also trying to make their homes green by not wasting water by making sure faucets are always turned off or hanging clothes on a clothesline to dry instead of using a dryer. Whether these students are at home or at school, they know how to be green.
How do you think learning about the environment will benefit St. Bede's School and St. Bede's students?
I think learning about the environment will benefit St. Bede's students for generations to come, because as our students become more responsible citizens of the earth, their children and their children's children will learn better habits. In terms of the school, I think we need to set an example by being responsible in terms of our recycling. You know, we do earn a little bit money back in terms of the stuff that we recycle. But I really think it's just an example that we need to set for the school, for ourselves as individuals, and all of our families.
The most important thing I learned this year while doing Pennies for the Planet is that it's important to help animals, to not litter, and to help protect the environment.
This year I learned that the environment can really be affected by us. Things that we do make a big difference, so we should do things like recycle and save electricity. Even simple things like those can help the environment.
The most important thing I learned this year is that the ocean is crucial to life on Earth. The ocean covers 71% of the Earth and is home to billions of living things.
The most important thing I learned this year was that everything we do affects the planet, and we need to be aware of the decisions we make because they will affect the planet in years to come.
Wow, I've learned so much about what St. Bede's is doing to help the environment this year.
Yes, we mentioned a lot of great charities and organizations and brought a lot of environmental issues to people's attention.
Yes, but where can we find more information?
To find more information about what St. Bede's is doing to help our environment, please watch the other podcasts our students have made. Please watch our iMovies on www.youtube.com/St. Bede the Venerable.